Damn. Say what's up to the vlog. This is what happens when you leave a nice car out. The M4 got struck. This is what I want to get next. Yo, what did I just find? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today's video, we're actually heading to Mondello Park. We are attending the biggest BMW festival here in Ireland, so we're gonna see a bunch of cool BMWs. And we're actually bringing the M4 on track today, so that should be a lot of fun. But yeah, we've just arrived at the gate. How's it going?
On track or show and shine?
Show and shine.
Just have your confirmation mail over.
Okay,
yeah?
cool, thank you. This is actually my first time here in Mondello, so this is quite cool. I actually wanted to go on track, but obviously on the track, your tires are gonna get cooked, your brakes will get cooked, and all that other stuff, so maybe next time. We'll see what we can find. There's gonna be a bunch of cool cars today. Damn. All right, we're heading on track, boys. So this is what the track looks like, huh? This is the main straight.
That's where the parade is.
This is where the parade starts, right? We're gonna try and sneak out halfway through because apparently you gotta stay here for the whole day, and that's till like 5 o'clock, and I don't want to stay here till 5 o'clock. How's it going, bro?
Did you just see any type of confirmation that they
Yeah.
accepted? That's fine, buddy. You were
Cheers.
great.
Thank
Not
you.
that I can catch you if you run off anyway.
Not that I could catch you. That's funny. How's it going, man?
Track or show?
Show.
Show,
Yes.
very nice. Okay, I'm gonna get you to park beside D36 M3 down there.
Okay.
Good.
Where?
36 M3.
Oh, right here. Oh, on the paddock as well. All right.
With the blue boys.
Sick. I actually like this spot. Nah, not today. Not today.
I was like, how the fuck do you get front row parking?
Yeah, that's why I was wondering. I was like, oh, park them over here. And I was like, oh, really? Okay. I guess they kind of wanted it all together, like all the blues and stuff. But, thank you, bro. All right, we're going to check out all the cars that are going on track today. Oh, look at this G7. Wow. This M2 is sick. Damn, what the fuck is this? Whoa. I don't know if we're allowed to be here, but we're here. So we're gonna get you guys the content. What is this? The Z4? What kind of track car has a rear view camera? Oh, all the Beamers. I love Yasmarina. Yasmarina is just such a nice color. Some M2s. Very nice. Oh, what the hell is that in the back? F80. San Marino, right?
Yeah.
The white seats. What the hell? This reminds me of like a Valkyrie or like some Pagani or something. That is sick. All right, let's go. I don't want to overstep our boundaries here. We'll see what other cars showed up there, and then we'll start heading in. I need to go to the toilet though. They're doing their driver's briefing, and then they're probably gonna go on track. Oh, what, 10 o'clock? Yeah, it's 9:30 now. I feel like, you ever see those F1 drivers that go around the paddock? You should ask me like, so are you prepared for the track today, blah, blah. What's your game plan today? I'm like, yeah. You know, just to go fast, just to beat everybody. Wow, this is beautiful. Damn. The bucket seats as well. Sheesh. I'd love an E46. Let's do a quick little lap around the park here. So there's actually way too many cars to look at here. I don't even know where to start. Like, there's not that many people right now, so I don't feel as shy filming, but I'm gonna try my best for you guys, all right? Oh, look at that M2 over there. That thing's sick. What color is that? It's like secure orange, though. Oh, there's someone in there. Man, there's so much that goes on at these track days, it's insane. E92, very nice. An M4, another M4.
Commando M4s now.
Yeah.
In Ireland is crazy.
Yeah, there's too many M4s right now, guys. I don't feel special anymore. Oh, what the hell is this? Damn. I won't lie, guys. I have no idea what I'm looking at. All I see is the engine, some intake, squiggly things. This is what happens when you leave a nice car out in the ghetto. Your wheel just gets fleeced. The M4 got striked. What the hell? Damn. Oh. Smell of straight gasoline. I love it. Nice little Swiss spec 240. Has all the chrome bits.
Literally silver, everything.
Alright, bro. Looking clean. You just arrived here?
No, I got here early, but I was just fucking spending the entire time.
Just clean.
One wheel.
Yeah.
One wheel.
Yeah. There's too many BMWs in this show. I was thinking about it, right? If I do get a different car, I can't call myself Beamer Boy anymore, right? It's a nice M2. What'd you think about the wing though? Would you get a wing on your car? I would get a wing if I like tracked it properly. E36 convertible. What is this, Austin yellow? Wow, this is nice. Oh, this is Dylan. We got Dylan's M4. He just got this recently. That's insanely loud. I think this is my favorite G80 so far. I think this is also like frozen from factory. It's not like a wrap or anything. I don't think so anyway. And I think he recently got the front grills and stuff done. I think he brought it to the guys at 006. Shout out 006 Customs. E46 Laguna Seca with the orange interior. Very nice. Damn, look at this shit. This thing's fire.
Oh, it has a Nokia.
What? Oh shit. Got the phone for the business calls.
My body kind of goes hard.
That's kind of cool. Now this is what I want to get though next. It's really nice, but tax, 2.5 grand. I don't know about that. We got all the boats over here. I won't lie though, these are kind of growing on me though. Oh, they got an XM over there. I'm not even gonna lie to you, I actually really like these cars. I don't really.
XM?
Yeah. I seen a picture of one of these that like totally blacked out, lowered, actually like really nice body kit. Yes, please, thank you. I think they're starting to go on track now. Alright, they're leaving now. Ah, damn. Oh shit.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Oh no.
Okay, bud.
Man down. That thing is nice. This M2 is so nice, man. Look at that. That thing is sick. All the drift guys are coming out now. Hey. Oh no, his bumper's back on. Oh no, poor fella lost his bumper. Yo, what the f did I just find? No way, this is my old car. Bruh, no way. It even still has the strong wheels. That's crazy. Damn, it still looks good. Damn. That's crazy. They haven't changed anything. They just got like some new mats and stuff, but they curbed some of my wheels. But what happened to the carbon? It's fading now. It even still has the GTS taillights and everything. Oh man, I miss this car. I actually miss this car a lot. The steering wheel, the sunroof. Alright, so apart from the cars, they actually have some more like trade stands here. So you have like some merch over there, some other stuff over there. There's some ice cream here as well. I did not expect to see my old car here. Kind of a little bit emotional, I won't lie. I do miss that car. That car gave me so much memories. I think some detailers now down south or something in Wexford own it. Yeah, hopefully they're enjoying the car. Nice. I love the new facelift to the headlights actually. Oh, so much smoke now. This one's actually quite nice with the silver wheels, with the Snapper Rocks blue. This is a very nice X5. Big bus, very nice car. Nice spec, laser lights. I think everyone's getting ready, so we're gonna try to get to the car now, and then hopefully we'll get to the front of the line or something, and then we dip afterwards. I would like to get in front as much as I can, but we'll see. All right, it is 1 o'clock and we are now getting ready to go to the parade, but we were told since we were at the front, we were be like priority, but we asked one of the ladies there and they told us you have to go through the back gate. So now we're at the very back of the line. Oh well. I guess that's good though, because at least since we're at the back, we don't need to like wait for anybody behind us, so we can just slip out, right? We could try. Yeah, it is quite hot now. It's gonna take like an hour just to get on track because there's so many cars. One of the stewards told us we'd be priority, but now we're at the back. We're at the back. Oh my days.
A few minutes later.
All right, finally going on track. We're going on track to go 2 kilometers an hour. You.
What did he say?
It's a pretty big track, so it's not too difficult, I'd say.
Jesus Christ, mate. What the?
Oh, god damn.
Last pull.
What the fuck?
Go to middle.
My days, this thing is packed.
I'm gonna lick your arm tonight.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna lick your arm tonight.
You guys can see like wraps around all the way around here across the track, going through all the way over there, very front, and it keeps coming.
Red light.
Can I rev it?
Yeah, man, if I start there, I'll be a domino.
Yeah.
Needle is already sitting over 120, man, it's dying.
Yeah.
That G90 is nice. Oh my days. Oh no.
Well, your bumper is black now.
Stop spewing your diesel in my face. Oh, are they leaving? Are they leaving? Oh, they're leaving.
Yeah.
Alright, let's try to leave. Hey, what's up? God damn.
Say what's up to the vlog.
Ready?
Sorry.
Excuse me.
Sorry, buddy.
Alright, we're out. We got out. Alright guys, that is BimmerFest done and dusted. We sneaked out during the parade lap. I think they were actually gonna do another lap around the place, like, but yeah, I didn't want to risk it, and then I'm kind of tired, to be honest. It's too hot and I didn't want to stay any longer, so yeah, we just dipped. BimmerFest was fun. It was nice to see all the cars on track, especially the drift ones. Definitely makes me want to go on track next year. Let me know what was the nicest car you guys saw at the festival. I was quite surprised to see the old car there. If you guys like that kind of content, let me know. But yeah, overall, BimmerFest was really good. Definitely go again. Hopefully next time we'll be out on track. That's it for today's video. Peace.